Hello friends, welcome to our PK classes. Friends, today I will learn a story and the story name is Olive the Turtle. So again the story name is Olive the Turtle. Let's start. Hello, I am Olive. I am soft and cuddly. Dia and I are best friends. She takes me everywhere. When to the doctor's clinic. Today is Dia's birthday. She is 5 years old. Where is Dia now? She is at the party. I was her birthday gift last year. Olive thought about the day when he was given as a birthday gift to Dia. She had liked him very much. Come on, let's go to the party. She may have got many new gifts. She may now forget us. Olive was really sad. Will she forget me? So saying, he ran to Dia's room. What did he see? Dia was in her bed. Olive, where were you? I missed you a lot today. I missed you too. Dia Dia hugged Olive and they both slept happily. Thanks for watching our channel, friends. Please subscribe our channel if you don't have. So, thank you.